knew I wanted to go into forensics after I completed a module on my extended diploma, and it was definitely a career choice that I was interested in. I started to research different degrees that were available and I found the course at USW. On my course, I have practicals in the biology and the chemistry labs, but I also get trained in the crime scene training facility. We'll practice our skills in the labs with the staff by our side. We'll get a feel for what we're doing and the techniques that we're using. Then we get to put those skills into practice in a simulated environment. We know what we need to be doing in the setting and the techniques that we're using, and it makes it a lot easier when it comes to moving into industry. If I could give advice to anyone at college currently looking at courses to study at university, I would say choose something you love. If you have a genuine interest in the subject, you're going to be more engaged during lectures, and it's going to make it a lot easier when you come to do any form of revision or assignments for the course. If I could sum up my time at USW with 3 words, I would choose independence, because I've really had to grow as a person. I would choose community, because that's what it feels like. Not just with friends from halls or on my course, but with the staff. They're always there to give advice and answer any questions that you might have. And then finally, my last word would be adventure, because that's what going to university is.